has weakened to a tropical storm. It left a wide path of destruction across Texas and Louisiana as it came ashore overnight as a dangerous Category 4 hurricane. Thousands are without electricity, and the storm is blamed for at least 4 deaths. 150-mile-per-hour winds from Hurricane Laura ripped apart homes, uprooted trees, and flooded neighborhoods as it cut its path of destruction through southwest Louisiana. A chemical plant fire near Lake Charles is forcing people to shelter in place as a thick cloud of black smoke blankets the area.
More municipal utility electric crews are heading from Missouri communities on their way to Louisiana now to provide recovery help in the wake of Hurricane Laura. Line worker crews are from Nixa and Rolla. The combined response now numbers 24 line workers from the 6 utilities. The crews are from Public Power Electric Utilities and would be reimbursed by the communities receiving assistance.
While Springfield-based